Hi students, today we are going to see the book matrix of the 9th standard, last unit, page number 185. Look at the following sentences. She said, I have won the first prize. Direct speech. In direct speech, she said that she had won the first prize. So what the change they have removed the inverted commas, okay, and conjunction that they are used, and the first person is third to third. I is first person pronoun is changed to third person. They have changed to past tense. So they have won the first prize. That she said that she had won the first prize. Okay. Now we can go for the exercises. Observe the following callouts. Report C has reported the sentence of speaker A. Now help reporter C report the rest of the sentence of speaker A. They have given you, I have to go. What did he say? He said that he wanted to go. Can you hear me? What did she say? She asked if you could hear me. Hear her. Consult the doctor. What did he say? He advised you to consult the doctor. I won't go to the party. What did he say? He said that he wouldn't go to the party. Next one. When did you come? What did he say? She asked when you came. Don't touch the wire. What did she say? She warned not to touch the wire. Do you know Hindi? What did he say? He asked if you knew Hindi. Can you swim? What did he say? He asked if you could swim. C. Report the following sentences. Banu said, comma in between inquiry, do not spoil the ecosystem. Banu advised not to spoil the ecosystem. So you can see they are removed the comma and do not spoil the ecosystem. They are used not to spoil. Okay, not to spoil the ecosystem. That's a change. It's an advice. Okay, so advising. You want to use the verb, just reported verb as advice. Pranav said, have you booked the ticket to Delhi? Pranav asked whether he had booked the ticket to Delhi. It's yes or no question. If yes or no question is in the direct speech, you want to use whether. Okay, the conjunction whether. Rekha said to Tilak, when are we leaving to our native? Rekha asked Tilak, because this question, it's a reporting is just a report speech is a question. So Rekha asked Tilak when they were leaving to their native. Sujit said, Rayan, you should get up in the morning. Sujit advised Rayan to get up early in the morning. Vivan said to his mother, can you please buy me a hot chocolate? Vivan asked his mother whether she could buy him a hot chocolate. Sixth one. Tomorrow I have to take a test in English, said Sundar. Sudhar is given, okay, Sudhar. Sudhar said that he had to take a test in English the next day. Seventh one. Pragardi said to her sister, I need your help to arrange the books in the shelf. Pragardi told her sister that she needed her help to arrange the book in shelf. Why don't you use crayons for coloring? Said Dilip to his son. Dilip advised his son to use crayon for coloring. Thank you, students. Study well, students.